Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share 5-step facial yoga. Yes, this video is going to be very interesting because we perform this facial yoga without using any kind of cream, facial kits or bleach. Yes, it's true. And this facial yoga will provide you inner glow, mental peace and flawless skin. And we all want this. Yes, and without using any kind of chemicals, and it is very cost effective because it is totally free. So you can perform this just after watching this video. So watch video carefully, but don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updated with all latest notifications. So very easy to perform. When you wake up in morning, before washing your face, you have to perform this. What you have to do, look at your hands like this and now generate heat in your palms like this. Rub them. This heat will increase the blood circulation. So this is basically our cream, our facial, this heat. So now number one step is you just have to massage around your nasal septum like this. Yes, massage like this, not very vigorously, but feel also relaxed and calm. Number two step is around your eyes like this, round and round, 5 to 10 times at least. Now reverse like this. Number three is take your thumb and from your thumb between your eyebrows you have to press like this. Yes, and feeling relaxed. Yes, here you have Agya Chakra, which is very important. And definitely when this Agya Chakra activate, your all toxins will be released. Number four step is again rub your hands and around your eyebrows like this, 5 to 10 times. Number five and last step, again rub your hands, put your thumb on your temples and massage your forehead like this, whole forehead. If somebody's forehead is glowing, then definitely that is impressive. So by this, you can create very good glow on your forehead. So very easy. Anyone can follow this 5-step and don't forget to tell me results in the comment section. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching my video.